So tell me, what do you think the link is between automobiles and menthol, a flavoring used in candies and many, many other products? Well, let me tell you. It is an element, which I indicated here. It's rhodium, element number 45, first discovered by William Hyde Wollaston in 1803. He would have never dreamed at that time that the element he discovered would eventually be worth more than gold, 10 times the value of gold. What is going on here? In cars, rhodium is a big part of the catalytic converter. And these are very, very important devices. Why? Because the exhaust of a car has a lot of hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide. When these pass over the catalyst, and the catalytic converter has 3 different metals, usually platinum, palladium, and rhodium. They pass over this catalyst, they get converted to carbon dioxide. The car also produces oxides of nitrogen because the heat of the engine allows nitrogen and oxygen in the air to combine to form oxides of nitrogen. These are big pollutants, but when they pass over the catalytic converter, they are converted to nitrogen, which of course is part of air anyway. It's an innocuous substance. So that's why rhodium is so important, but unfortunately, it is very rare and hard to extract. True, a catalytic converter needs only a few grams, but those few grams are worth hundreds of dollars, which is the reason that thieves these days are stealing catalytic converters. People go out in the morning and find that when they turn on their car, it makes all kinds of noise because the catalytic converter has been removed. All right, so now we know the importance of rhodium and catalytic converters. But what about menthol? Menthol can be extracted as a natural product from plants, from peppermint oil, for example. However, most menthol today is made in the laboratory, and it is made synthetically from a compound that is found in many plants called myrcene. However, in order to convert it into menthol, you need a catalyst. And it turns out that the best catalyst to do that is rhodium. So once again, rhodium shows its value. Ultimately, back in 1979, to show just how valuable rhodium was, the Guinness Book of Records offered a record to Paul McCartney that was coated with rhodium in recognition of his songwriting and singing abilities. At that time, he was recognized as the best songwriter in history, and he got the rhodium record. So now you know a little bit about the link between menthol and automobiles, and that link is element number 45, discovered in 1803 by William Hyde Wollaston, who was a physician, but he decided he didn't like practicing medicine. He wanted to try something else. And luckily for us, he tried chemistry. And thus, we have knowledge of the element rhodium.